The Department of Transportation surprised bus terminals with an inspection as a preparation for the exodus of passengers for the upcoming All Saints Day and All Souls Day. Gab Villegas has the full story.
One of the things Department of Transportation or DOTR Secretary Giovanni Lopez investigated thoroughly was an illegal terminal in Pasay City that was closed by former Transportation Secretary Vince Dizon in July. The Secretary found 3 buses parked at the said closed terminal that should have been unused. Therefore, Secretary Lopez ordered the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board or LTFRB to impound the buses and possibly also revoke their franchises and fine the bus company because of various violations.
Matagal na akong pabalik-balik every 5 months na ako.
A passenger named Reina from Cavite who was going home to Northern Samar was stunned that the terminal she went to whenever she wanted to go back to Northern Samar is actually illegal. The next terminal was charged because there was no all-gender restroom, while another terminal was found to be without a fare matrix posted and there was also no proper breastfeeding area. All of that was noticed and penalized because of the conduct of a surprise inspection by the DOTR as part of the agency's preparation for the expected rush of people when the Ondas arrives. Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange was also one of the terminals the DOTR chief inspected. His inspection is aimed at ensuring the safe travel of passengers in accordance with the directive of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Nabuti namin na gawing mas maaga para makita natin kung ano ba talaga ang kalagayan ng ating mga terminal.
The LTFRB will also give additional special permits to provincial buses.
Pagdating ng araw ng Undas o yung kasagsagan ng biyahe, no, at kung nagkulang, hindi maantala masyado o hindi maantala at all ang ating mga pasahero.
PITX management expects fewer passengers going to the provinces this year because Undas did not coincide with the long weekend. But the passenger rush going home to the provinces for Undas is expected to start next week. The PITX made an appeal anew to passengers.
Number 1, mag-travel light tayo. No? Travel light for 2 purposes. 1, siyempre napakahirap, daming tao. Ang daming tao, tapos ang dami mong dala, ikaw rin mismo yung mahihirapan, di ba? So para for your own convenience, mag-travel light ka. 2, mag-travel light ka para mabigyan mo naman ng pagkakataon yung iba mong kapwa pasahero.
Gab Villegas from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.